Hi. In last video we have seen how to work with the strings and the different methods in it and how to play with all those methods and all we have seen. Now in this video we are going to see how to work with string and immutability of the string, and to change that to make string as mutable, how we need to do that and all we will see in this video. First of all, string is immutable. Okay, immutable means not changeable. Okay, if any string will be there, it is not changeable. We cannot change the value of it. Okay, so in Java basically string is immutable. You cannot change the value of it. You want to make string as mutable. Okay, so you need to go for either string buffer or and string builder. Small difference is there between these two, I will tell you. Okay, basically string is immutable in Java. You want to make mutable, you need to go for string buffer or string builder. I will show you some example why string is mutable in Java. For example, string s equal to I have taken Venkat. Okay, I am appending some value as that concat method will be there. So for example, you can see here I am appending some value to it. Concat is combining. Now I am printing. Do you think what is the output of this program? Yes value I am trying to print it. What is the output of this program? See, as I told you, basically in Java string is immutable. You cannot change the value of it. So if you will print it, this concat, because you are trying to change the value of yes, it will not work out. So it is going to print Venkat only. You can see output here. See, Venkat only it is going to print. But you want to update the value of a variable and all, again you need to give this way in Java. Okay, so then even in this case also, the connection from yes Venkat to s equal to Venkat Krishna, the connection will move out. Like how the connection will move from here to there is, you can observe carefully here. So basically you can see here, so some variable is there, like s variable is there and s dot append is there. Okay, so in this case here what is the value is there. So here what is the value? First Venkat is there. Next, okay, we are assigning it to what? Yes. Next s dot append, you are appending what? Krishna. Okay, you are appending Krishna. Just s dot append you have written. Since in Java string is immutable, you cannot change the value of it. If you have given s equal to s dot concat, okay, so what will happen is the connection from yes, okay, the connection from here, s equal to first Venkat is there, right? This connection will be dropped and yes connection goes to now Venkata Krishna. Okay, so this memory will be cleared by using garbage collector later on in the part of a memory management. Under garbage collector main job is to clear the unused memory. Okay, so then the connection between S Venkat, it will be dropped and new connection goes to Venkata Krishna. Okay, so this is how it will be there. So if you want to change the value of it, okay, this memory will not be changed. This Venkat only will be there. But whenever you are trying to concat something, again new memory will be created with Venkata Krishna and this connection will be dropped and new connection formed to new variable and all. That's how it will be there. So now you can change the, you can run it and verify how the value of it. Now it is going to display Venkata Krishna. Okay. Since in the Java string is immutable, you cannot change the value of it. If you want to change the value of it, then as I told you, you need to go for string buffer and string builder. Small difference is string buffer is synchronized. I will tell you what is synchronized. String builder is non-synchronized. Okay, non-synchronized. It means that string buffer at a time one thread only can access. Let me take any banking application. Can you log in into any banking application? With two browsers at a time or two windows at a time, can we log in into any banking application? No. If already you are in one browser, you are trying to log in into another browser, it will be logged off. First one will be logged off and second one it will allow you to log in. So it is a thread safe. At a time only one user can access. Whereas coming to the string builder, it is not a thread safe. N number of threads you can access. Like you can take a Gmail, you can access Gmail in your mobile, in your browser. Okay, different browsers you can log in and it will allow you to log in. Okay, that is a non-synchronized. Okay, it is not a thread safe. So these are all the two simple examples to understand string buffer and string builder. This is only the small difference between string buffer and string builder. Rest everything is same, no change. Whatever the methods available for buffer, all these methods available for builder also. Okay, how to work with string builder and string buffer? Let me take a string buffer S1 equal to, you can take a new string buffer of, I am taking Venkat. Okay, as I told you, it is immutable. Okay, it is mutable, it is changeable. Now you can observe here S1 dot append. I am going to append Krishna now. Okay, now tell me what is the output of the S1. Venkat or Venkata Krishna, because it is mutable, it is changeable. Okay, so in the same memory, instead of Venkat, now it is going to update with Venkat Krishna. Okay, so you can see here only in the string buffer or string builder case, the connection will not be moved to next one. In the same memory, it is updating with Venkat Krishna. That's it. So now observe carefully here. What is the output? Venkat Krishna is printed successfully. Since string builder and string buffer are the mutable, it is changeable. Okay. Even similarly, you can observe here string builder also. String builder S2 equal to, you can write new string builder of, I am giving same Venkat here also, and I am appending something S2 dot append. Okay, I am appending Krishna. Now I am trying to print S2. Okay, now I am trying to print S2. Now tell me what is the output of this program. This part also very similar. It is going to update with the Venkat Krishna. You can run this program and see here. See, Venkat Krishna is updated successfully. So because it is a string builder and string buffer, both are mutable, it is changeable. In the same memory, it will update with the latest value. But whereas in this case, string case, it is immutable, it is not changeable. If you want changing something, the connection from the old one to the connection moved to the new data. That's it. The unused memory will be cleaned by the garbage collector. The job of garbage collector is whenever any memory is unused and all, it will be cleared. Okay. So like this way, we can work with the string buffer and the string builder. See, for example, in the interview and all, they may ask you one question: how to reverse a string? How to reverse a string? You can write normal way, like you can get each and every character and you can reverse it. But whereas string buffer and string builder, there is a inbuilt method will be there for string reverse. See, S1 dot, there is a method will be there, reverse method. Okay, even same here also. Okay, string builder also there is a reverse method will be there. See, there is a reverse method is there. By using this reverse method in string builder and string buffer, we can directly reverse the value of a string. See, it is reversing. You can directly reverse the value of a string by using this reverse method. Okay. So, but this method is not available in string class. Okay. String class, this reverse method is not available. Reverse method is available only in string buffer and string builder. Okay, let me conclude here. So, string is immutable, it is not changeable. You want to make string as mutable, you need to go with either string buffer and string builder. But what is the small difference between these two? String buffer is synchronized. At a time, one thread can access. String builder is non-synchronized. And at a time, n number of threads can access. Okay. So, and I have shown you like how append method will work, reverse method will work and all. You can practice all other different methods available here for the string buffer and string builder. Important interview question is how to make a string reverse. So, and also see, for example, I have one string here, s equal to Venkat Krishna. I want to make this string as a string builder or string buffer. Very simple. String buffer s3 equal to new string buffer. You can provide here your string, just yes. Now your string will be stored into where? The string buffer. This way also you can convert your string into mutable to immutable to mutable by using this syntax. Okay. Now the s is what? It is storing into s3. And now s3 is string buffer, which is mutable one. You can change the value of it. Okay. So this is how, with this almost we are done with strings concept. Okay. And let me see in next session with different concept and all. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.